We're here at the Dole Plantation. What are they doing? It is a lot of people here today. Yeah, this is the store right here. Alright, so we can skip. Oh, we gotta go right here though. The tickets. No, I think it's for everything.
No, that's for the maze.
Oh, you're right. Come on. So pretty. Look at these flowers. Where are those?
Oh, yeah.
Dollar Tree. Hold up. So as you can see, that line is very long. Right here is where we decided not to go in and do the tour. But we just looked around and looked at the pineapples growing, and that line was very long. Cool. So pretty. So here is the Pineapple Factory shop. You can find anything from hand sanitizers to little knickknacks, lip gloss, all types of pineapple themed candy. I mean, it has everything related to the Pineapple Factory, really. It's cute, it's nice to go in. Chocolate candies, keychains, basically a souvenir shop. Oh, that sounds good.
Pineapple strawberry.
Pineapple shortbread cookie. Pineapple umbrella. Let me show you the kids out. So here's more candy, pineapple lemon candy, pineapple cotton candy, which I actually got. It was only 160 calories per container, little sweet. Now here is the pineapple ice cream with caramel drizzle in a waffle cone. I couldn't even finish it. It was so much. It was good. Definitely a different taste. I enjoyed it. My husband enjoyed it. And here's just some history. Did you know it takes almost 2 years to grow a pineapple? But we had a great time. Here's me and my husband in matching swimsuits. But we had an awesome time. I'll put the link to where to get the swimsuits.